What's up, TG fam? What it do? Is you feeling good? That's what's up.
J Squad.
You and me was always be tight. Family every single day and night. Even when you start acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself. I love you more than anybody else. And every day as a man, I be cool. You know there's no one I love as much as you. Family, a family, proud family.
Okay, so I am running down to CVS right now to pick up the coupons in the Red Box Center. If you don't know what that is when you first walk into CVS, there's this huge red box and you print off your coupons by typing in your phone number or scanning your card. And then I'm going to get an ad so that I can tell you guys what I plan on doing for the next haul and what I'm going to buy and all that stuff like that. Just kind of go like basic and kind of like just jot down the steps and how I do it and all that stuff. My mom is definitely a huge part of this. Without her, I would be spending way more. She knows how to look at my coupons and the other coupons and put them together and make it a great transaction. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So I'm going to take you guys with me and show you how this thing works. All right? Okay. Wait till I get there. Okay guys, so this is the new CVS ad, March 25th through 31st, 2018. And these are the things that are on the paper. You can see some I circled already. That means I will be buying these. Alright guys, so here are the extra bucks. I'm starting the week off with $20 in extra bucks. $20 in extra bucks. Okay guys, so earlier when I went to the store, I received an extra $3 for hitting beauty. I spent $30 in beauty and got $3. And I found the $5 extra care bucks in my coupon somewhere. So I am starting off with $20. I am so excited because there are so much good deals this week. And so I just sit around and I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be doing. Okay guys, so my mom took about 3 hours to figure out what we're going to do tomorrow. So the first deal we're going to do is this Colgate deal right here. It is $3.50 minus $2.50 off, and this extra $1 here, which will make it free. I also have some coupons, $2 worth of picks for free. That's a great deal as well. We're going to turn over here to this CoverGirl deal. So I will be doing that. It is, when you buy 2, you will get $5 extra care buck. Okay. So I have a coupon with $6 off of 2 and a 40% off CVS coupon, which will be about $2.87. And then I will get a $5 buck back. So this will be a money maker. I'm so excited about that. There's also an Almay deal. I have a 4 off of 15. Don't know if I will be doing the Almay because there's no money back. It's just a regular 50% off deal. So I'm not too sure about that. And you are able to choose Revlon as well. See, Almay or Revlon. So you can choose any or. Okay, so here is the, let me see, the Physician Formula. There is a 4 off of 15 coupon. And the deal is, if you spend 15, you get back 10. So I will be spending less than 15, of course, because of this coupon right here. And I'll be getting $10 extra care bucks. Next is this wonderful razor deal. When you spend $25 on these select razors, you'll receive $10 extra care bucks. I am always getting coupons on razors. I'm going to have a $2 off coupon and a 3 off of 15, plus a $5 off that I have from CVS. So this deal will be really good, and I'll receive again $10. So that's pretty exciting. These are my favorite Scopes and Crest. I love these products, so I'm going to be doing this deal right here. Buy 2 for $8. When you buy 2, you get $3 back. For this deal, I have a 2 of $4 off, and then I'll be getting $3 back. So that is a money maker. That is absolutely free, I believe. So yeah, so that's pretty much free. Okay, here are the soft soap deals. This one is $3.49 with card. You buy 1, get $1.75 back. This one is buy 2, get $2.25 back. For the body wash, I do have a coupon, which is 75% off, and then it will be $2.74. And once I get the $1.75 back, I will only be paying 99 cents. And for the liquid soap, I have a 75% off manufacturers, which would be $4.25, and I'll be getting $2.25 back. So I paid $2 for it, but I will receive altogether. Let's see. It will be $7 out of pocket altogether. $7 out of pocket. Then there's this deal as well. So the deal for that is I have a 2 off of any 2 of the CVS brands, or $1 off 2. So I can definitely play around with that. Altogether it should be $4 out of pocket. So let's see if that goes well. I'm also doing this deal. $3.99 with the cart, and buy 1 get $2 off. And I might do this deal too. $3.50 minus $2.50 and $1 off. Okay, so this is the last deal I'll be doing. Spend 20, get 10. I got so many deals on the Nexus. Okay, guys, so that was it. That is basically telling you what I'll be doing tomorrow. I'm so excited. Hopefully, everything goes well and no problems, anything like that, because some CVS just don't want to work with you. But I will definitely have everything for you tomorrow, like the price and all of that. I don't even know like how much is what right now, but like I said, my mom spent so much time trying to do this. Without her, I couldn't do it. It's a lot of work. It is. She spent like 2.5 hours, 3 tops. Oh my god, it's a lot. So, hopefully it goes well. And then I'll be able to show you guys what I got and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Alright, thank you so much for watching. You guys are truly amazing. Don't forget to watch my last video that I just uploaded. It's very funny and that video is amazing. Oh my gosh, I laugh every time I see it. So go check that out. I love you all. You have a great day, great night. Wherever you are, let me know where you are. I don't know where everybody's at. But I love you. And I will see you tomorrow, guys. Alright. Peace. Bye.
J Squad.